my name is Mary J. I'm a content marketer and content writer, and on this channel, I talk about everything business, marketing, lifestyle, and technology. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to talk about everything you need to know about content marketing as a beginner. So if you're just starting out in the world of content marketing, or you're planning to go into content marketing in 2025, this video is going to explain everything that you need to know as a potential content marketer, or maybe you're just looking for to hone your skills. This video is going to explain content marketing in the most simplest way you can ever imagine. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that is probably on your mind is, what is content marketing? What does content marketing mean for a beginner? So for a beginner, I'm going to put it in the most simplest way that it will stick to you. So what is content marketing? Take for example, this video I'm doing now, this is content marketing. And this content is in form of video content. So this video that you are just watching now is a part of content marketing. If you have read a blog post today, that blog post you read, that is content marketing. If you have received an email from any of your favorite brand, that is content marketing. If you've been on Instagram today or any of the social media platforms and you see anything that talk to you about brand or anything at all, it could be skits, it could be brand videos, it could be carousels, it could be anything at all, that is content marketing. So now that we've had the basic understanding of what content marketing is, simply put, content marketing is a marketing strategy that involves the planning, creation, and sharing of online material to a well-defined target audience for the purpose of building brand awareness, trust, and provoking sales. So that is what content marketing is. Anything that you do, anything that involves the creation, the planning, and the sharing of materials, either online or offline, to attract people to your brand, to attract people to your business, is content marketing. So how does content marketing help business? How is content marketing relevant to business? The primary goal of content marketing is to help business to build awareness, interest, decision, and action. So it means that at every point of the customer's journey, content marketing is key. You need content to drive the customer to your brand. That is awareness. You need content to provoke the customer's interest in your brand. That is interest. And you need another set of content again to make the customer decide on whether to buy from you or not. And you also need another content to make the customer to actually pay for the service, that is taking action. So content marketing works in different frameworks, which means that at every touch point of the customer, you need different content to follow the customer through the sales journey. So this is the purpose of content marketing. And the person that performs this action, the person that does all this heavy lifting of guiding the customer through their journey, is called a content marketer. Content format. We've been talking content. What is the different content format? The different content format includes a blog post. So if you've performed any search query today, search query means if you have searched for anything on Google today, maybe how to make jollof rice, and thousands of articles pop up, that's content. So that's one form of content. Another form of content is what you are watching now. This is video. So I could have just do what is content marketing. I could have just written a blog post on it. But I said, no, let me just do a video. Let me create a video on it. So that this you're watching now is content, is another form of content. Another form of content is reel. So know that this one is different from reel. So I can just repurpose this, like I explained earlier, repurpose this into a reel. That's a content. Or another form is podcast. So I don't want to do blog post. I don't want to do YouTube video. I don't want to do reels. I want to do a podcast. That's a content. Another form is carousels. What are carousels? They are slides, designs you can swipe on Instagram. So those designs could be more than, could be two, could be three. So those are carousels. So I could have just said, okay, let me post this as a carousel on my Instagram post instead of doing a video or instead of writing a blog post. So these are different forms of content. Another form of content is a newsletter. If you've received an email this morning or anytime you have received an email and they're telling you about, let's say, Paystack always does monthly roundup. That's a newsletter. SME 100, they do monthly roundup. That's a newsletter. So any form of content that you receive in your email, in your anything that gives you updates on what the company has been up to, that's a newsletter. And that's another So we've come to the end of the part 1 of content marketing for beginners. In this part 1, I did what content marketing is and the different formats of content. So in my part 2, I am going to do how to identify your target audience, because one thing about content is that you have to know your target audience before you create any content. For example, before I started this video, I said, if you are interested in content marketing or you want to go into content marketing or you're already a content marketer, this is where you should be. It means that I know who my target audience are. My target audience are aspiring content marketers, entry-level content marketers, or people who just want to master content marketing. So before you start creating any content, you have to know your target audience, which we are going to talk about in the next video. So you have to subscribe to know when the next video drops. See you again. See you. And don't forget, my name is Mary J. And on this channel, I talk about content marketing, content writing, SEO, business, technology, and a sprinkle of lifestyle. Bye.